Hello everyone, so it's me Saif and I hope everyone is having a good of the time and everyone is seeing me on their best of their health. So today I'll be speaking about some of the kind of things, and right now I was just sitting in my apartment. The sun is slowly going down day by day. The summers have become more and more less and everything. So yes, that is the kind of period that we need to do it. But anyways, I was just sitting in my apartment and I thought about it. Why won't I come down and teach you two of the strategies that I have also learned on my own self? It was when I was been initially learning about the tradings and everything. I used to know this of the strategies really well. So today I'll share with you. This is my life hack strategy that I'll be sharing with you. I will be doing with two indicators, and that is first one is vortex and second one is Schwarz trend cycle. So let's go it and start it. So all you need to do is step by step copy my steps. Step by step you need to know it, like why and how am I opening this deal and why am I making this deal or something. Okay, so let's start it. First we'll go to the indicators. Make sure your candles are 15 seconds. Then we will go for vortex. You just need to do it 20. The style you need to keep it same, but just make it 2px green and 2px and save. And here you just need to make a style red and 2px. Yes, and the second one we'll be using the indicators that I've been talking about is Schwarz trend cycle. And so let's do it with Schwarz trend cycle. Here all you need to do is, here it's 24, 55, 14 and just make it 2 here and 2px and just make it everything 2px. Yes, and just save it. So as you can see right now that how I've arranged all the indicators like vortex and trend cycle, how I've arranged it into the manners you also need to do into this manner, and how I've arranged it into the specific ways, which what kind of calculations and everything. All you need to know this, and just step by step I'll keep in teaching you also that how we can make it trade and deal with it today. And we will be making a trade like a 3 or 4 deals. We'll make it quick, then I hope you can understand it, and all the questions you can ask me later. So let's start with 200. Okay, and by the way, the guy is the 30 seconds, and here as I've shown, the candle should be on 15 seconds. Okay, so let's start with first one. Let's start which is suitable for us today. Let's start is this, step by step. So guys, this is the deal I took it. This was been very feasible deal that I took it, because as you can see how the Schwarz trend cycle has been below 25 and how the green has been shooting up from the 13 right now, as you can see it, and the time was been 16 here, and that is what the thing, how the intersection of the green was been crossing above and it was been shooting above. That is the reason I took this deal into a way and the upper trend cycle, and that is what the reason I took this. So as you can see, we will have a plus right now, and it's plus 384. Small steps that I've been showing you right now, that is the way. So let's go for the second one. We'll put an amount here is 3 4. Put an amount here, any amount as you can do it, and let's check it out which is feasible for us. Here also, as I said you before, why did I took this upward trend? Because as you can see, the green line was been intersecting to the downward side, and how it was been shooting up to the thing, and how the Schwarz trend cycle, and it was been above the 75, and how it was been intersecting it, and that is the reason I took a upward trend into it. And that's what is the thing I wanted to let you know, like how you need to understand the small basic things that I'm teaching you. And that's why 679, that is the thing, like 679 again we are at a plus, and that is what the reason it is. Like I showed you how it was been intersecting and how it went to the up, and how the Schwarz trend cycle was been above 75. So that small things and this kind of small particular things you need to know it very well. So let's check it out. One more trend that we can make it. Let's check it out for 90, and here we can see is 1417, 1418. Here it was been intersecting into a right side. Let's make one more trade right now. Let's do it. And by the way, one of the most important thing, guys, all the links for my bot signals, VIP channels, YouTube has been down given below. So all you need to know is everything, that all the things and details, and if you want to keep watching it, keep learning it, the strategies and everything, you just need to keep down below. So one last trade we will do it right now. And just finish it up this. And this seems to be as this is Let's check it. We always need to keep checking it, guys. This is seems to be a feasible one. How the green has been intersecting and all. It was like around and this minute, and how it was been intersecting it. Check it more. 20. This has been how intersecting is. We'll keep checking it, keep checking it. What is feasible for us, where we can make it very nicely, where we can make it very nicely. Here you can see 19. So guys, the reason I took it here with the downward trend also, the reason which I took it for the downward trend here, as you can see that this minute it was been dipped, and how the red line was been intersecting it and making it, and the Schwarz trend cycle was been below 25 to the straight thing, and how it touched to the peak and then it went to the 25, and that was the reason I took the downward trends. So this minute things and details you need to keep understanding it, and maybe because afterwards if you are new to the trading also, if you have been new, so 940, and that's what is the thing. So I hope guys you can understand it in this way, that how it has been trading and how I have been doing more things and getting you down to the things and line. So all you need to do is just keep connecting with me, just knowing me, and I'll keep showing the interesting life or something. Okay, thank you so much.